I've got two kids schooling here at Genesis, Lincoln Telekelo and Lisa Telekelo. Lincoln is grade 1B and Lisa is ostrich. And I've picked up some very good and very strong improvements in terms of their writing, the skills that they've picked up, communication skills, and also in terms of their performance. I check the homework every now and then, and every time I do the homework with them, I notice the difference. I came here for the open day today, and I met the teachers, of which I know the teachers, but today we had more of a kind of more advanced type of meeting, whereby I got to pick up some details which I don't pick up on a day-to-day interaction with the kids. I picked up the performance of the kids directly from their teachers, and I think it's a very interesting and a very interactive type of arrangement which should be done quite often, because it's very rare that as a parent who has kids schooling here that I get to meet with the teachers, and it's a very important meeting that it's helpful both ways, both for me and for the teacher as well. I get to pick up critical information from the teacher, and I also get to give the teacher the information that I pick up as I do homework with the kids. So I think it was a very important and a very good meeting, which I hope to see more of, and I look forward to the next. Thank you.
Good afternoon, my name is Deepika. I am a mother of two kids at Genesis, Tanya grade 8 and Vivan grade 4. We have been in Genesis family for the past 3 years, and Genesis is a growing family. It is growing. We are learning as the day goes, and I feel like it's a very good school because all kids are given one-to-one attention. They have improved with their self-confidence, self-esteem. They have done so well in academics as well as sports. And right now the exposure they're getting going out of countries for different things. There was a UN debate, now they're going to UK. They have the study school trips. So I feel like Genesis is one of the best schools in Tanzania. So yeah.
I'm really happy to have attended the open day, and this is our second year as parents of a student at Genesis. I found the interaction to be quite good with the principal, the teachers, and the administration. We really hope this continues and grows, and the communication even improves much further. But so far so good. We are happy even with the improvement. I've seen gradual improvement for my son. He's not where we want him to be, but we've seen great work at Genesis, and we believe that with more effort, inputs, we'll get to where we want to be. Thank you so much.
Hi, my name is Dharmesh Gajar, and I'm the father of Jaisal and Dhir Gajar, who are both studying here. In fact, I'm very lucky to be part of this Genesis family, because ever since grade 2, both of them have been studying in the same school. In between, abruptly, they had to move to another school. But I don't want to go back in the history, but now they're already back here in the same school, and they're very, very happy about it. They always come with a happy face home, and I can see, I met the teachers today, everyone here, and I've seen about the positivity reviews about both my son, and I'm really happy that they are growing in their academic as well as other curriculum activities. And I don't have words to describe about the school, because I'm very happy as well. Like, they're back in the family here, and they find their school is not being just a school, but it's their home. Like, even from their home they come to this school, they're always excited to come back to the school here every day and be part of the family and the fraternity. So I'm really happy. I don't have much to say, and I'm praying to the God to give the school more progress, more efforts they are putting behind the students. It's amazing. Outstanding work to all the staff and the teachers and the management himself. Thank you.